Guys, hi guys. Today we can't show Daniel's face because his mom is about to rage. So anyway,
guys want to know something today? I got in trouble.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna make this water bottle explode again.
Look at my fancy clothes. I'm about to ruin it because of this video.
Okay.
Once again, let me make this.
No, I already untightened it. Okay.
3, 2, Kalina, come here. 5, 6. Do it up, bitches.
Oh! Oh!
Hey, that's a Mrs. Kalina. Kalina practice.
And look at these people. They're just staring in corners. Anyway, bye people. Bye.
Good thing, guys. Then we're gonna do something. We're gonna do a video on Andrew's sister's video, a birthday. And what are we gonna do?
We're not gonna do it on Andrew's sister's birthday. I'm Andrew, by the way, and it's my sister's birthday. So put happy birthday in the comments, okay, people?
We're gonna find you and kill you.
No, we're not. Our Pokemon is gonna track you down, like our Soccerish teacher. Anyway,
Teachers.
Yeah, Soccerish teacher.
My YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have 0 subscribers.
No, I'm not. You
Sorry.
said you was gonna subscribe.
Okay.
Well, you have 1 subscriber.
Okay.
4, 5.
I don't even have my channel.
Okay. Anyway.
We're gonna do a secret face reveal of her. And
Bye.
We're gonna have like a little mini birthday party for her.
Okay. Anyway, guys. Bye.